Hey ladies, so I just wanted to go through the difference between your business page on Facebook and your group page on Facebook. There's two different purposes for each of them, and I'm going to kind of explain it so that hopefully it makes sense to you. Some people wonder, why do I need both? Can I have one over the other? And I think that it's most beneficial to utilize both for different reasons. So I'm just going to kind of break it down for you in the most simple way possible because social media is a beast and I could go down many rabbit holes explaining all of the ins and outs of it, but I'm just going to keep it very basic and simple. And as you grow your business and dive into it as a business owner, you can um, take it to that next level as far as like advertising and algorithms and all the stuff that goes along with the great beast of social media. So, the basics, your group page is going to be like what is within your store. So, it is going to be like that building the relationship, helping the customer find the outfit, that one on one kind of type mentality, making it a fun environment where people find value and want to come and hang out and be. Some place where they wake up in the morning and like, I wonder what's happening in Jill's shop. That is the kind of space that you want to create in your group. Your group is also a private space, so anything that happens within it stays within it. If friends are tagging people or sharing things, you can't tag and share through this space because it's private unless that person is in the group as well. So, which brings me to your business page. Now, your business page is in a public setting. So, tags, shares, likes, comments, that will boost your page and what you are selling into other people's news feeds, their friends' news feeds. This is where the algorithms really kick in and it starts to reach that cold market. Okay. So the business page would be more the storefront, the more the advertising, the more drawing them into what you have to offer, the pretty pictures, the um, what you would see, I guess, in, let's say, a window shopping, like the window, the storefront of a business. That is what you kind of want to portray with your business page. You want to keep it more professional. The group page would be more um, conversational, more low key, more laid back, more fun, more of a safe environment. You can get a little more silly in. Okay. So, when it comes to, let me get my notes here really quick, make sure that we hit it all. Um, okay, let's go back to the business page. So on the business page, there's a few things that you could do to bring awareness to what you have. Every like, comment, and share, again, will boost your information and what you're putting out as far as like posts, pictures, videos. It will go into or it'll circulate through your friends' feeds the more interaction it gets. So whenever you put something out, very often do a call to action. So get them to like, get them to comment, because the more that happens, the more awareness that your business page is going to get. The thing with the business page is the most successful way to build a business page is with advertising, and advertising dollars that and that again is just another beast. So it very much can be um, to be successful, you got to put some money into it. So most people aren't in that spot to do that, and I don't recommend it until you are really financially able to do that. So just use it for the basics, which I use for giveaways and kind of just doing a few posts here and there to gain a little bit of traction in my cold market. Um, so you can use other YouTube videos that are all over YouTube on like how to use like any of these features that you see right here. As far as like inviting people to like your business page, you can do that. Where is it? I don't, oh, there it is. Invite friends. So you can click on here and you can invite friends, and it'll send a push notification, or not a push notification, but a notification into here. So and so invites you to like her business page. So that's one way to get people to invite. You can post your business page in local buy sell trade pages. on your wall, you can actually even ask people to, and this goes with groups as well, you can actually ask and see if people would be willing to share your business page or your group page on their wall to go into a drawing for XYZ to kind of help boost your the eyes and the visual um, getting you in front of more people so that basically when you're tagging people and you're getting people to come in and interact and help you with that, it's you're reaching other people's networks, so it's expanding your network in your cold market and inviting people in. So I would definitely recommend to do that. Invite people and share your business page and share your group page in whatever means possible to grow it. The shop button, again, just the basics. I would get your shop button set up to link to either your group page, but more specifically now with the party site, I would have them, if you're using the party site and have your inventory on there, I would have it linked to your party site because once they click on there, they're most likely they just want to shop right now. They don't want to be linked to a group that they have to have approval for. Um, as far as content on your business page, um, you do have this actual feature where you can add material and products to a shop. So people can click on this and they can get linked into your actual shopping page that you have. I post a lot of outfits on here. You can do linked products here too. If you have them in your shop, like I just showed you, you can tag products. That's also great. Um, just little posts like a package is about to go out. Outfits, I do a lot of outfits. If you have events that you're posting in your group, shopping events, you can actually post them here. You can also go live on your group, which also, when you go live, again, since this is a public space, when people hop on your live, the more comments, the more likes, the more interaction, the more it's going to show up in other people's newsfeed and suggested lives, and it's going to draw more and more people in. And the more and more people that come in, the more exposure you're getting, the more it picks up steam, the more shopping you might have. So I definitely utilize lives on my business page now, and I share them into my group as well. So I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone. Have some of the giveaways that I do is I have people leave reviews on my business page, and I do a little drawing for that because reviews are really great for business, of course, especially if they're 5-star. So here's some of my lives that I've done on my business page. Those still show up. But again, oh, that was a funny one. Um, but yeah, I've utilized my business page more so for growing my network because it is a public space. Now, in your group page, it's going to be a little bit different. I create more of a community in here and I get more personal with my customers, interact more. And I make sure that, so when I am going to, um, what am I trying to say? When I look for a group that I want to stay a part of, I I wonder first, okay, does it bring value to my life? Like, am I having fun in it? Am I going to purchase from it again? Like, is there value? If there's not, most likely I'm just going to end up leaving. Um, so if I find value, if it's like a place that I want to be a part of, I'm most likely going to stay. So you want to make sure that the content that you're putting out is both fun, it's relevant to people's lives. So in this case, it's fashion. So giving them fashion advice, fashion tips. Along with fashion goes like beauty, um, decorations, like make it a fun place and informational. If they find value in the information that you're putting out, they're more likely to stay and to not just stay and just wait for it to pop up in their newsfeed to see what's going on. You want them to actually search out your group and click and say, what does Jill have going on in her group today? Like what information or what what is she going to teach me today kind of. And you want them to have that mentality of I want to search out and I want to go check out what's happening in their group. So give valuable information. The whole what's the fifth photo in your group or in your page, post it below. Those are not valuable things that people like to see. It doesn't bring value to their lives. So keep that probably for something else. I just got a gift from one of my customers and I thanked them in my group. So things like that. Get your customers to share their photos. I had so many people asking under here, what was that? What was that top? And so I haven't seen if any orders came through. For this one specifically, I had a few orders, but I dropped the link now for this one. So get people to post their uh, their outfits and then thank them for it. Maybe even compensate them like $5 off. Hey, I had a couple orders come in from your post. Here's $5 off your next order. Thanks for doing that. It incentivizes people to interact and, grow that community in there. This was a fun one. Look at those awful leggings. And by awful, I mean awesome. Oh, I love those. Okay, they're so fun. All right, so that's basically the difference between business page and group page. Group page, you want to create more of that community, give them something of value to come back to and want to be involved in your group and what you have to offer. Keep it fun, keep it light, keep it informational. Make sure it has value. And then business page is more of a public setting. The storefront, be more professional, draw them in with outfits and stuff, link to your group, tell them what's happening, make it sound like they're missing out on something fun and link your group to get them from your business page into your group. One of the other things, as long as I'm in here, I just scrolled up and saw this, is I've added recently recommended by the admin groups. I think this is only available at once your group hits a certain amount of members. I'm not sure about that, but I have a VIP group as well. And then I have an interested rep group where people can go and get information on the business. I have some really great information in there that they can kind of just go and poke around. And then I also have a VIP group. So my VIP group is for VIPs that have spent, you can do it many different ways. I've talked about this in another video, I believe. But my VIPs, true VIPs, people that have spent $150 to $200 or more in the past calendar month or have been the top 10 contributors in my group, the people that have supported my business above and beyond get extra perks by being in my group. And they get an email notification to join that every month. So it's ever changing. And so I get extra exclusive offers in there, like custom orders, extra giveaways, behind the scenes, first dibs, some stuff like that to make it a place that people want to shoot for, which of course then increases sales. All right, let me check my notes to make sure that we're not missing anything. Oh, one of the things, yeah, with a group is I would not incentivize people to just add members to your group by just saying, hey, add 5 friends and I'll put your name into a drawing. You want genuine people added to your group. You want people to request to join themselves or add their friends themselves because they enjoy what they see. That is going to be a more healthy way to grow your group, and you're going to have more genuine people that actually are there wanting to shop. Yeah, that is it. All right, so that is the difference, and that's kind of the concept and how I have mine set up and some of the material that I do post in there. So hopefully this was helpful for you.